Holy shit. I drove out by the horse thing. It's right over to my left, and it is bombing out here. I'm sitting in the car, at least I'm sitting on rubber. That one was close, but I've seen them up in this hill too when I was driving out here. It is unloading. That last one was really close. It's starting to rain pretty good too. I'm gonna get one of these big ones on video. Oh, that was a pretty good one. That one's still a ways off there. Oh, there's some. Oh! Jeez, that was right on top of me. Woohoo! Yeah! That was like instantaneous. Woohoo! Yeah! There's another good one. Damn. It is getting gnarled. Oh! Oh! Holy shit. It's non-stop out here. Whew. Good thing it's raining. That means no fires. Oh! Oh! Yeah! I saw it strike the pole, the power pole! I think I got that on video! Woohoo! That was badass! I saw sparks! Holy shit, that was close! Yes! Woohoo! Oh! Oh my god, this is insane. These birds are like, I am out of here. This is getting crazy. Yeah, holy cow, I think I saw it strike the power line.